Hi again. In this video, I'm going to show you how MediaCasa saves and organizes your albums on the file system, making it easy to manage and share your memories. Once you're ready to save an album, all you need to do is click the Save button. Depending on how much media is in the album, this process might take a bit of time. While saving, MediaCasa will also update any metadata, like dates, if you've made changes to them. After the album is saved, you can head over to the My Albums section. Here, you'll see all your organized albums neatly grouped by year. You can also use the search bar to quickly find a specific album if you need to. This makes it really easy to go back and look at your organized memories at any time. Now let's take a look at how MediaCasa organizes everything on your file system. If you open the MediaCasa Home folder, you'll see a list of folders, each labeled by year. Inside each year folder, you'll find album folders, named with the date and the album name. When you open an album folder, you'll see a list of files with a clear and structured naming system. Each file name includes the date, album name, group name if defined, and a counter. This makes it easy to know exactly what the file is just by looking at the name. Even when you go back and edit an already organized album, like adding new media, all the file names will be adjusted according to any changes you've made after saving. So you'll always have your photos and videos in the correct order, and the file names will remain consistent and clear. At this point, you can easily map your MediaCasa Home folder to a cloud solution, like Google Drive or Dropbox if you want to back up your archive. This ensures that all your organized albums are safely stored and accessible from anywhere. One of the great things about MediaCasa's organization is that you don't even need the application to search through your photos. Since all the file names are clear and correct, you can easily search for photos directly in your file system. And if you ever want to share a photo with a friend, you can send it directly from your file system. The clear description in the file name makes it obvious what the photo is, so your friend will immediately know where and when it was taken. With MediaCasa, saving and organizing your albums is not only simple, but also incredibly efficient. Whether you're using the app to manage your photos or just browsing them through your file system, everything is kept in order and easy to find. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes organizing and managing your memories even easier.